Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, so today we're going to be doing a recreation of lou.von.bright. She did like a gothic kind of look that just says hate you. I died because with Valentine's season coming up, obviously I'm going to do a Valentine's look. I think everyone who does makeup is going to do a Valentine's look, but I'm not a Valentine's person. Like I've never, well, okay, last year I went on a date on Valentine's Day, but that's a long story. That's just a big old mess that we're not going to get into quite right now. My life is a mess.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Okay, I think with this look I'm also going to be using my wig. So, love a good wig moment. And I'm also going to take my Fair 00. Okay, I'm going to put my brows on, and for that I want black, so I'm going to be using the Morphe jet liner, which I need to order more of because I'm fucking dried out as fuck. I lied. I want to do like a straight brow like hers, so I'm actually just going to redo that. I love when I decide to do something halfway through a video. Learn from me, children. Learn from me. Like fucking Spock from Star Trek. I've never done my brows like this, so this is gonna be a first. Damn, these look crazy right now because I have nothing else on my face. We're gonna get creative with this, but first things first. I'm gonna take my James Charles Morphe palette. I'm gonna do smoky eye. So I'm gonna start with Code James. And then I'm going to use Breasted on a big fluffy brush. Okay, so now that the writing is done, time for the liner. Okay, I'm gonna put on my Rouge and Rogue and Slayer. Alright, now I'm going to use my Double Wear Estee Lauder and Currant lip pencil. I don't think I'm going to add the little dots that she has. Glitter dots? I don't know. I'm going to be using Colourpop Prim. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit and just put a little bit of Golden Dawn on my nose and just a bit of ring light under my brow. Alright, I'm going to put my wig on and I'll be back. Alright, and for the finish with the wig, guys, thanks for watching this recreation of lou.von.bright's Instagram. I love this look. I think it came out really cute. I think it's really funny before Valentine's Day to just give people some shit. Happy early Valentine's Day. Why isn't there any like Valentine's Day equivalent of Krampus? Like, is there like an evil Cupid, and like how do I sign up to be them? Comment below if you think of any good names for the evil Cupid. And alright, I think this came out really cool. I'm really glad. I love lou.von.bright. Like, I don't know, I've followed her for a while and I think she's sick. So, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.